Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix the Netflix audio lag issue. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Netflix. Tap the results shown. And if your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown. So tap Update. Since updating your apps, download the latest version of the apps. This step might fix the audio lag. If the issue is not resolved, reset Netflix. Press and hold the Netflix app icon and tap the info icon. You will be taken to the app info page for Netflix. Here, tap Force Stop. And on the pop-up, tap OK. Then, tap Storage. And tap Clear Cache. And Clear Data. Also on the pop-up, tap OK. Finally, restart your device and check if the audio lag is fixed. So that's how you fix the Netflix audio lag issue. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.